What's going on, everybody? It's your boy RNG Crypto here with you for another video. Today we're going to be talking about an NFT project that I'm really excited about that's coming out soon. Growing community, fast growing community. They actually just hit 5K not too long ago. Rowdy Roo Bobl Crew is the name. Rowdy Roo Bobl Crew. These guys, actually, before I get started, disclaimer, guys. Before I get started, I gotta let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say or do is not financial advice. Make sure that you know that this is education and entertainment and whatever else you get out of this other than financial advice, right? Please don't make any investment decisions based on what I'm doing. Don't copy me. Please make sure that you do your own research. Make sure that you are 100% comfortable with your decision. And as long as you know that, we are good. Why did I clap my hands? You don't see me yet. I will be on camera in the future, but not yet. Anyway, back to this project, guys. Rowdy Roo Bobl Crew. These guys are minting 11,111 programmatically generated bobbleheads, right? So programmatically generated means basically there's going to be a set number of traits. I think there are going to be 200 plus differentiable traits that are going to distinguish these. And here you can see just a couple as an example. Let me zoom out and actually show you the website. I'm at their website right now, bobblenft.com. And they give you a little bit of history here, a little bit of a story around this. It's really not that much, but let me just read this out loud. After their home, Planet Bobble was destroyed, 11,111 of the rowdiest and cutest kangaroos in the galaxy have beamed down to Earth to hop around on the Ethereum blockchain. It's kind of cute, it's funny, it's catchy. I think people will like this, and people are liking it because their Discord is blowing up. So if you guys want to be a part of this and get in early, check out their Discord. Their links are right there. Their Twitter's right there. Follow them on any of the upcoming announcements. There's actually a giveaway happening right now in the Discord that where you're gonna get, and it's gonna come up here if you check out this changing bauble right here. That golden one right there with decked out traits. That guy could be yours if you win the giveaway in the Discord. But the only way to be a part of that is to hop in the Discord. I believe you have to invite 3 other people to the Discord, and then do a couple of other things. It's really easy to get into. I would definitely check it out. That thing is pretty badass. I would like to have one of those. Anyway, let me give you a little bit more info on this. So how are you gonna mint this thing right when it comes out? Basically, somewhere at the top of this website here, at the top left or top right, or maybe in the middle, there's gonna be a mint button, or maybe here, we're coming soonest, right? That looks like that's gonna be a button. There's gonna be a mint button that comes up, right? And you would essentially get some Ethereum, wherever you get your Ethereum, whether that's Coinbase, Binance, wherever you do, send it to your MetaMask, and then come to the site, connect your MetaMask wallet, and then, at the time of the minting, press the mint button, and you're gonna uh, part with zero point 0.07 ETH, which is around 216 bucks at today's prices, but you're gonna mint yourself an ERC 721 that nobody else is gonna have, and it's gonna be unique. Whatever you have, no one else is gonna have it. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. These things are really cute. I look forward to it. What other wallets are gonna be supported here? I don't think anything other than MetaMask, but there might be more coming out on that in the announcements. Check out the Discord again. They're constantly coming out with new info. They're definitely involved with their community. I like these guys, and I think, yeah. Anyway, um, so what do you mean? So why would I want to even have one of these Rowdy Roos? What is that gonna, what benefit do I get, right? Well, the NFT space. It goes crazy. People like things that are unique. People like things that are popular, and this project is going to be both of those attributes. Other than that, I mean, if you once you have access to a Bobble, you'll have access to the Bobble metaverse, which is going to be coming out, and there's going to be a bunch of things you can do there. And having one of these baubles or multiple of these baubles, you're gonna, have access to other perks, and get access to exclusive drops and some other things that are coming out. Again, all of this is really new, but it's more than just holding an NFT or 2D. There's going to be some other benefits or perks, if you will, that are going to be coming with holding one of these guys. So where are you going to be able to see this thing? They should be launching on OpenSea about 24 hours after the minting. So that's where you'll see it. They're going to have a an accredited link, if you will, or an authorized link, making sure that it's the right one, right? Be aware of scammers, guys. There's always people, especially when it's some of these earlier NFT projects, they're gonna try and copy this, get ahead of it and pretend like it's their actual link. So if it's not coming out of the Discord, if you're not in their Discord, don't follow the link. Make sure you get it through their Discord and their Twitter. Um, if you needed to or want to connect to the bobblehead team or bobblehead team, I'm sorry, that just slipped out. It's the Rowdy Roo Bobl Crew, right? If you want to get in touch with the Bobble team, they will be in the Discord, and they're again really involved with the community, and they will probably respond to whatever you've got to say, as long as it's something uh, relevant and not insulting. Um, their smart contract address, I don't think that's out yet, but that's going to be released also when the announcement for the minting goes out. So again, Discord, Twitter, you'll get all that information. And there are going to be some Rowdy Roos withheld. So we do have to say that there are going to be 99 Rowdy Roos that are going to be withheld, and they're going to be really just withheld for special giveaways like this golden guy right here. All right, their roadmap, I'm not going to go through it. I think it may change. I don't know. But it's basically going by percentage sold as opposed to quarters in the year. Their team here is not yet public, but again, a lot of these NFTs projects, they like to remain anonymous. Artists in general, that whole community is a lot about mystery, and yeah, so they are not going to be showing themselves just yet. But again, this team is dedicated to their community. They're not going to stop until they're #1 on OpenSea, which is one of their goals, is to be #1 on OpenSea. And you will get those vibes when you're in the Discord. You'll see that it's a good place to chat, hang out, learn more about the project, meet people, and yeah, just be an early investor or an early collector, I should say. But that's where I'm gonna leave it, guys. Thank you for sticking through this video. Give me a like, give me a subscribe if you like the content. I got more coming out. I know I'm in the early stages, but it's not gonna be long, guys. I'm gonna have a video camera, full studio. It's gonna be nice, and be nice to have an early kickstart. I will leave a link again of the Discord in my description. Go ahead and use that one. That's fine. It'll send you right in there. And yeah, if you like the content, again, like, subscribe. I will talk to you guys on the next one. See you guys. I am out. Peace.